Hi there! My name is Cherry, your perfect partner in learning English. I've been in the ESL industry for more than 7 years. I'm actually a licensed teacher and a degree holder of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. I would say that I am more passionate in teaching than working with numbers. Teaching beginners is one of my expertise, and I feel over the moon whenever I teach business English. I have attended OPIC, TOEIC, and level test trainings. My teaching style does not just depend on the learner's ability or level, but also the character, because I firmly believe that teaching is more of an art than a profession. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me in my class.